Hello, my name is Chris Jacobs. I'm here at Ingersoll Rand's North American Solution Center in Madison Heights, Michigan. What I'd like to do for you today is just an instructional video on a 4-cup vacuum device. I'll go ahead and demonstrate some of the key features of the device. It's 4-cup vacuum, obviously has 4 vacuum cups. These cups are mounted on adjustments, so you can take this handle, loosen it, and slide it in and out to adjust it, basically what I'll call an EX. It also is mounted on a telespar frame with holes every inch, with pull pins, with lanyards, so you don't lose the pull pin. You pull the pin, and you can adjust these every inch on the telespar, so it's adjustable in the X and the Y. Basically, on every single vacuum device we do, we'll put vacuum gauges that correspond to each one of the cups, 4 gauges for 4 cups, and this allows a clean sight for the operator when he's using the device, that when he locates onto the part, he can see that there's good vacuum on every single vacuum cup that he has. And with every device, we've got your CEA for your up and down to control the balancer, a vacuum on, vacuum off push button for the vacuum, and also the indicator light, which tells you once you vacuum onto a part and you lift it, you'll get a green indicator telling you that it's interlocked, and then if I go ahead and try to hit the vacuum off while it's suspended, it will lock that control out so you can't drop the part while you have it suspended. And with every device, with a pivoting handle, you can pull the pull pin, and this handle will actually pivot, so when you go lower or higher, we can keep the operator's hands in a more ergonomic position, and you can lock that out as well if you want to keep it locked out like I have it right now for more control. If you'd be interested in a device like this, please contact your local sales manager.